Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use AG1 athletic greens. To begin, grab your AG1 powder and a glass. Mix 1 scoop, which is about 12 grams, with 8 to 10 ounces of cold water. Stir or shake it well until it's completely dissolved. The best time to enjoy your AG1 is first thing in the morning, ideally on an empty stomach, to maximize absorption and kickstart your day. For optimal benefits, make AG1 a daily habit. Consistency is key to experiencing its full potential. Aim to drink it about 10 to 15 minutes before your first meal. This timing helps with nutrient absorption. If you find the taste too strong, feel free to add a little more water. Conversely, for a more concentrated flavor, use slightly less water to suit your preference. Proper storage ensures your AG1 stays fresh and potent. Keep the main pouch in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. Once opened, it's best to refrigerate it to preserve its active ingredients. For those busy days or when you're traveling, AG1 offers convenient travel packs. These pre-portioned servings make it easy to maintain your routine wherever you are, ensuring you never miss a day. To enhance your AG1 experience, consider mixing it with a small amount of apple or orange juice if you prefer a different taste. Remember to always use cold water or a cold liquid, as hot temperatures can degrade some of the beneficial nutrients. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating AG1 into your daily regimen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.